Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable sound enhancements on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. So your view by in the top right to large icons, and then you want to go down and select the Sound button. And now right-click on your speaker output device and select Properties. Select the Enhancements tab. And where it says Disable All Enhancements, go ahead and make sure that is checkmarked to go about disabling sound enhancements. And then select Apply and OK to save it. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.